Good morning, dears. Good morning, dear students. This is Dr. Kausar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC KT. Today in this class, we are going to have a calculations on sum of number of terms in arithmetic progressions. How to calculate the total value of all the numbers. For example, if you are going to add from 1 to 10, it's okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, like that you can keep on going adding the numbers. But if you are going to add from 1 to 100 or 1 to 50, it is not so easy. So at that time, we have to use the formula for the calculation of sum of number of terms. That is in AP. So how to calculate the sum of number of terms means, the general form of AP is nothing but A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. It keeps on ending till the last term. That is the general form of AP, standard form. So the sum of number of terms we can able to apply two formulas. So one will be Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is one formula. Or we can able to use one more formula. If the value of last term is given, at that time we can go for this formula, that is Sn equals n by 2 into a plus l. So here also A is nothing but the first term, N means the number of terms, B is nothing but the common difference, and the L will be the last term. Let us see one of the questions here. Find the sum of first six natural numbers. So natural numbers means the counting numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Total all 6 numbers you will add what is the value. We can able to see with the help of formula. So here the value of A is nothing but how much? The value of A is 1. The value of this one, the value of B will be 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. Total how many numbers means it is the 6. The last term is also 6. So here Sn equals n by 2 into a plus l, because last term value is 1. So we can able to apply the formula here. And here it is putting. So Sn is nothing but S6 value. So S6 equals n means 6 divided by 2. A means first term plus 6. And then S6 equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1 plus 6 is 7. Therefore 7 3s are 21. Therefore the total value of all the 6 numbers if you add in natural, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, the value will be 21. So this is how we have to use by using the formula. Let us will go for the second question here. Sum of the series in AP, that is 101, 99, it is in the decreasing order, 19. 795. So how many total numbers it keeps on writing till 25 terms are there in the series. 25 numbers are there in the series. So what is the value of A means here? The first number is 101. The second number will be 99 minus 1 is 101 is minus 2. Total n value means how many numbers? 25. We need to calculate the value of this 25 value. So we have to use the first formula. We are using this one because last number value is not there. So we can go by this formula. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So yes, n means how many numbers means it is 25 total 25 value of the numbers need to be calculated. Yes, 25 equals 25 divided by 2 into 2. A is nothing but 101 plus n means 25 minus 1, b means minus 2. So S25 equals 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. 2 into 101 is 202 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 minus 2. So S25 equals 12.5 into 202 plus into minus is minus. 24 into 2 is 48. S25 equals 12.5 into 154. The value of S25 is 1925. So this is how we can able to add, or we can calculate the value of 25 terms. The total value of 25 terms, if you keep on adding means it is 1925. So let us begin able to see here the next question. That is, find the sum of all numbers between 300 and 500 which are divisible by 5. See, in such kind of case, when the numbers it will be by divisible by 5, divisible by 6 or 7, 8, in between two ranges of the values means. So by which number you keep on dividing, the same constant difference will be the same. So if you are dividing 5 means the difference of the numbers, instead of checking, we can go very easily. that if first number is 300, first we'll have to check 300 divided by 5. If we are getting exact value, means then it will be there in the series. If it is not there, means decimal fractions, means then it is not a term of that series, like that. So 301, 302, keep on checking all the numbers we are getting. Will we get the decimal fractions? It will come for 305 divided by 5. So we are getting one exact number. So where we can able to count. So the first two or three numbers you need to be calculated. Then we should go from the last, because here the last number is 500. First we have to check the 500. Then we can go for 499 such case. So 500 divided by 5, it will be easily divisible. That is 100 will get the value. 500 by 5 means. So exact number we are getting to count. So 500 is also a term of the series in this. So whenever we'll give such kind of questions divisible by 5 means, you keep in your mind that first you should check the first number. So the next number will be add the how much number you are going to be divided, the same number will be repeated again. If the first number is 300 means the second will become 305, the third will become 310, then the fourth will become 350. The difference is same in case of two range of the values are given. So what number you keep on dividing, the same range of constant number we can able to occur between two or three differences. The difference between the numbers where we are can able to get that it will be same. So here 300 the first number. So after 300 the next number, which can be exact value will get, that is 305. The next number will be 310. So some three numbers from the beginning, then we should go to the last. First we have to check the last number, the range they have given 500 divided by 5. Here also we get the exact number, that is 100. So this will also be considered. So here the value of A is 300, D is nothing but 305 minus 300 equals 5. Last number, that is T n value given, that is 500. But how many numbers are there we don't know in this series. So what we'll have to do for calculating Sn value also, we require n value, A value, D value. But here we don't know how many number of terms are there. So we are using the nth term formula. Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So here we are using Pn means the last term 500 equals A means 300 plus n we don't know, n minus 1 into D, the value difference between the numbers is 5. 500, this plus 300 we are shifting to the left side, it becomes minus 300 equals, multiply 5 with n minus 1, it becomes 5 into n is 5n, plus into minus is minus, 5 1 is 5. Then the difference of 500 minus 300 will be 200 equals 5n minus 5. Now we are shifting this number to the right side, 200 minus 5 becomes plus 5 equals 5n. Add these two, 200 plus 5 becomes 205 equals 5n, or you can write 5n equals 205. Both are one and the same. Therefore, n equals 205 by 5, the value of n equals 41. Now we can have to calculate the value of Sn. So already last number is there in the series. We know what is the last number. N how many numbers means it is 41 numbers. So now we can able to calculate very easily by using this formula. So Sn equals n by 2 into a plus n. S41 equals 41 by 2 into 300 plus 500. 500. So S41 equals 41 divided by 2 is 20.5 into 800. S41 equals 20.5 into 800. Multiply these two, we will get the answer. The 41 terms of that series is 16,400. This is how we need to calculate. Let us will go for the fourth question. The sum of three terms in AP is 15 and the product is 80. Find them. So this kind of questions will be given in the examination, sum and product of the three numbers. So let us will have an assumption of the three terms in AP. What are those three terms means? The first number will be A minus B, the second number will be A, the third number will be A plus B. So here they have given the sum value is 15 and the product value is 80. Let us write an equation. We'll have to obtain two equations here also for sum one and for the product. Sum of three terms, how we can able to write in the first number is A minus B plus A plus D, because it is sum. This is equals to 15. So how many A's are there means here there is 3A plus B minus B get it cancelled. The right side value remains as it is 15. Therefore, 3A equals 15 means A equals 15 divided by 3. Therefore, the value of A equals 5. So again, product means this is the multiplication. A minus B into A plus B equals 80. That is the product. So here what we are going to do means, here we are substituting the value of A, that is the 5, in the product of three terms. Now we can able to see here that a minus b and a plus b. How we can able to write in the formula means we can able to write it is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b and a minus b. That is, we are going to substitute here the value, that is the product of three terms a minus b, a into a plus b equals 80. So a minus a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Instead of writing a plus b and a minus b, straight away we are writing it in the form of a square minus b square. So here we are substituting the value of a, that is 6, in product of three terms. So here it is 5. The value of a is 5 in the product of three terms. So here one is a, another one, both if we are going to multiply, we will get a square minus b square. Where there is a, we have substituted the value, that is 5. So first a we are writing, that is 5 into 5 square minus b square equals 80. Now we are shifting this single 5 which is here, that we are shifting to the what? To the right side denominator. So now 5 square is nothing but the 25 minus is b square. 5 we are shifting to the right side. That comes to the denominator 80 by 5. Therefore 25 minus b square is nothing but 80 divided by 5, that is 60. So minus b square equals, we are getting the difference of 16 and minus 25 is minus 9. Minus minus get it cancelled. So d square equals, this 9 can also be written as 3 square. Therefore the value of d is nothing but plus or minus 3. Now we are getting the two values. One, the value of A is how much, means here we calculated 5, but for the calculation of B, we are having two values. One is plus 3 and minus 3. Let us will go for calculating the three terms. When A equals 5 and B equals plus 3, what are the three numbers we are going to get? So we know that one number will be A plus 3, another one will be A, and third number will be A minus 3. Let us will substitute the value of A and B in this three number, that is 5 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 3, 8, 5, 2. And similarly, when a equals 5, b equals minus 3, because we are having the value of for the 3 it is plus or minus. So first we should consider plus, next we will go for calculating. When minus 3 is there, what are the three numbers? A plus b, a and a minus b are the three terms. 5 plus into minus will become minus 3, 5. A means 5, minus into minus is becoming plus. So plus 3, therefore 2, 5, 8. Therefore the three numbers are three terms is 852 or 258. So what the value they have given means, if you are going to add the three numbers, it should become 15 and product it should become 18. Let us will check whether it is correct or not. So if you are going to add 8 plus 5, this 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. And here also 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. Product will check it, the product value is 80. 5 8s are 40, 40 into 2 is 80. This is also 2 5s are 10, 10 into 8 is 80. So it is correct, whatever the three numbers we have calculated. If you are going to add, it should be how much. If we are adding, if the value should become 15. If you are multiplying, the value should be 80. If it is correct means, then the answer or the three numbers what we calculated is correct. So with this I am going to end the session. Thank you.